Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. This is Jared with Class Dismissed, and this is a tutorial on how to make transportation adjustments for students within the Class Dismissed Excel tool. So I'm currently on the school list page within the Class Dismissed for an example school. In best practice, I had deleted the password before I stopped using it, so I need to type that in real quick. So again, you'll see basically it's the exact same as what was on the student list template that you uploaded to us. Last name, first name, grade, teacher, family number, bus number, transportation type. And we know through the course of a school year, things change. Whether a family maybe is usually having their student take the bus and they need to instead start picking that student up. Or it could be the opposite. Maybe their family is usually picking the student up and then they need to shift to the student taking the bus or walk. And that happens often. And also students come and go, or some students leave during the school year and others join your school. And so these are some quick steps of how to make adjustments. So we use this first student as an example. They're usually a bus rider. Say the family gets in touch and says, hey, we're going to start to pick up our student instead. So what we can do first is just look at the teacher page. You'll notice that student's currently under the school or the bus section. So what we do first though is, especially when we're assigning a family number, make sure that it's available before we do that. So I just organize basically low to high. I see the last number is 125 that's used. So we'll give that family 126. So I'm going to go and organize by last name again to find that student fast. Type in 126 in the family number column. And then the last step I'm going to do is change bus to family. And so what we can do real quick is go back in and see the student automatically shifted over to the family pickup. And so it's a quick, fast way to make those adjustments. I can show you a quick example too of the opposite. Say a family is usually picking up and they need to instead have their student start to take the bus. So we have this example right here already. Best practice is to leave both family number and bus number just for this exact occasion where adjustments need to be made. So instead, look at that student name first. You'll see that student is currently a family pickup. Go back to our school list. Now, because both numbers are already listed in there, I just need to click on the transportation type, click bus, click out of that, and we'll go back in and see that student automatically shifted over to the bus section. So again, fast, efficient way to make these adjustments. You can also, I know sometimes students leave during the school year. You can easily highlight that name all the way across and either click the delete key if your keyboard has it, or you can right click and click clear contents. And that's kind of a fast and easy way just to remove the student from there. If you need to add a student, just like everything else, you type it in. Say they're in Rogers. I see that one right there. Let's say they are a bus rider on bus 2, and I just choose bus. So we can go look in Rogers real quick, the teacher, and see that our student name S, that's what we just added quickly. So again, quick, fast, easy adjustments. Hopefully allow you to spend less time on this and more times on doing the things you need to do during the day. By all means, reach out if you have any questions. But again, we appreciate you using this, and we hope it's having a positive impact on your schools. Take care.